Paano mo malalaman kung totoong mahal ka ng isang tao? Karamihan ng tao, akala nila ang love is a physical or emotional attraction with someone. Ang true love talaga is unconditional. Tulad ng isang pagmamahal sa magulang sa kanyang anak, na kahit pagod ka, kahit puyat na puyat ka, babangon ka para ibigay mo yung kailangan niya. And that's the kind of love na very unconditional. At ang totoong unconditional love, hindi ka nag-expect ng something in return. Kaya mo magpatawad, kaya mo magbigay sa mga taong nanakit sa'yo because you are a loving person. Kung meron kang ganong kakilala na kaibigan, mag-anak mo, or even partner mo, you are so blessed to have them. You need to cherish those people in your life because these are the people who will be gentle with you, who will just wait for you to recover kung meron kang pinagdaanan. At the same time, who will also discipline you out of love because they want you to become a better person. And this kind of love will help you grow and heal kung ano man yung pinagdaanan mo ngayon sa buhay. Show that unconditional love to reflect the true love that God gave us through our lives. So that's my advice for you para malaman mo kung sino talaga yung totoong taong nagmamahal sa'yo. God bless everyone.